The BMW X1 M35Li, which is the first M performance car to enter production at the Brilliance BMW Shenyang plant, can be produced on the same production line as the BMW 9/1 and BMW X1. It is powered by a 2.0T turbocharged engine tuned by BMW M. We see that the appearance design of the BMW X1 M35Li is the same as the European version. The vehicle, equipped with the M aerodynamic kit, M-specific devil ears exterior mirrors, M-specific rear spoiler, etc., also features an M-specific longitudinal double-spoke front grille, M-specific 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and 4 exhaust outlets on each side. On this basis, the BMW X1 M35Li can be adapted to the iconic flame red paint of BMW M performance cars, but it is not yet known whether this paint option is free or requires an additional fee. Unlike the European version, the body dimensions of the BMW X1 M35Li have been enlarged. According to the information disclosed, the length, width and height of the vehicle are 4,616/1,845/1,627 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,802 mm, which is the same size as the BMW X1 on sale. In the interior, it adopts a family design concept with an integrated floating curved screen consisting of a 10.25-inch display screen and a 10.7-inch central control screen, a built-in 9th generation BMW operating system and the latest model M Sports multifunction leather steering wheel. In addition, the special M logo on the steering wheel, seats, seat belts and many other parts of the BMW X1 M35Li emphasizes the vehicle's unique identity and creates a sporty atmosphere. It is understood that the BMW X1 M35Li will also have integrated sports seats, digital key plus, a panoramic roof window, L2+ intelligent driving assistance system, M-specific indicators and head-up display and other functional configurations. As a model offered for the Chinese market, the BMW X1 M35Li will be equipped with longer and thicker rear seat cushions, and the rear seats will support a 4:2:4 folding ratio. In terms of power, it is equipped with the M twin-power 2.0T inline 4-cylinder turbo engine tuned by BMW M. The M twin-power turbocharger offers dual injection technology and has a maximum power of 246 kilowatts. The transmission system is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and features the xDrive all-wheel drive system. The chassis specially tuned for BMW M and the iconic exhaust sound of BMW M will not be missing either. The BMW X1 M35Li is part of the M performance car range and will compete with the Mercedes-AMG GLB 35 4MATIC in China.